Everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me some comments at the bottom. Okay, now I made a video on the Ciroc Vs Ciroc. It was just like a review or a tasting. I'll leave it at the top so you could click on that first impression of me tasting the Ciroc Vs. I really didn't like it straight up or on the rocks, so I decided to do a little research and try to figure out what goes really good with brandy and what you can mix it with. Like I said, I got a couple of recipes. We're gonna see what it tastes like mixed with these ingredients that I have. We're gonna start with the first drink, which is called a sidecar, and I got a few notes. Because like I said, I'm not a bartender. I just like to indulge a little bit. So I got some ingredients right here. I got my cups and ice and everything, a little something to make me look a little bit professional, even though I'm not even close to it. So we got a couple of items that we could use for like shakers or whatever, and something to measure with. I'm assuming that this side is 1 ounce and this is 1.5 ounces, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think. And there's nothing on this to indicate if I'm right. The first thing it calls for is, and we're gonna just pull these items inside of here. It's gonna be a problem, because if I can't get it open now, how am I gonna get the drinks in it? Okay, we're just gonna pour them inside of this cup. Okay, we're gonna take the Ciroc. We're gonna pour 1.5 ounces. Calls for lemon juice, triple sec. Put a little ice in it. We're gonna just shake it. I'm not gonna be doing all that fancy stuff you see people doing, you know, in the bar and all that. I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna shake it a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And we're gonna pour it up. This is called a sidecar. Okay, this is what it looks like. And let's see what it tastes like. That's not bad. It's more on the, it's not necessarily sweet. That's not bad. Okay, this one is called a Ciroc cobbler. It calls for 1.5 ounce of Ciroc Vs, 1/2 ounce of the triple sec. It actually says dry orange liqueur, but this is the same thing. You know, this is a orange liquor, but triple sec. And then it also calls for simple syrup. So we're gonna shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake our drink up. Shake our drink up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake our drink up. Shake our drink up. Anyway. Now let's pour it up. I think this drink is going to be a lot sweeter than the other one. Oh yeah, way sweeter. If this one tastes, you really could taste that that orange liquor in this. And the sidecar, I taste more of the brandy. And as you see the difference between the two, this one is really good. But like I said, it's more of a sweet drink. And also, it's supposed to have some garnishes in it. Strawberry. You want to top this off with strawberries and raspberries. Also, you can find these recipes that I just did on the Ciroc website, and you can see exactly how it's done. I was going to make the Ciroc Vs French 75, but I don't have any champagne. What I was going to do is try some of these other drinks that I just kind of figured would taste good with brandy. Most of the time people drink a brandy with ginger ale. So I'm going to try this and see what it tastes like. This is just, I guess this is like an organic brand. I have never tasted this kind of ginger ale. That's what it looked like. We're going to see what this one tastes like. Tastes like your regular ginger ale. Okay, so I'm going to take this ice out. I'm going to put a little bit of the VS. About that much of the VS in the cup. And then I'm going to just add a little bit, top it off with this little ginger ale. About equal parts. I'm going to mix it, shake it up to mix it a little bit. Because once again, I didn't bring a straw. That's not bad. It's not real sweet. It tastes like it needs a little bit more ginger ale. Because to be real honest, I can't even taste the ginger ale. It's actually called ginger ale, but for some reason, I've always called it ginger ale. I don't know why, but I guess that's just the hood in me. I don't know. So let's try it again. That's not bad. Like I said, I did my research, and a lot of people drink brandy with like a ginger ale or Coke. So I've never tasted these Pepsi products. This is the 1893, the original Coca-Cola. I've never ever tried this. This was on sale at the store, so I said, might as well try it. So this is what the container looks like. And then I also got the one with the ginger and Coke. So we're gonna mix these up and see exactly what they taste like if this is gonna be my drink of choice. Okay, I just put a little ice in the cup because my cups are not chilled. I'm gonna add just a little bit of the Ciroc, about that much, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Coke. Give it a little shake. Wish I would have brought a straw. No, I don't like that. Nope. This one is not my pick at all. I don't know. Let me taste the Pepsi by itself. Tastes like regular Pepsi. But this tastes just like the regular brandy by itself. Let me go get a straw. Okay, I got a straw and I mixed it a little bit better so I could really taste it and see how it tastes. Oh no. This ain't my pick right here. I was right the first time. This one tastes just like if you just drunk it plain with just a little ice on it. It just still have that brandy flavor. And as you could tell that I'm not really a brandy drinker. So I'm gonna add just a tad bit of this in it because I figured I was gonna make a drink with the Coke and ginger. But since I have this open bottle of ginger, I'm just gonna add a little bit to it. Might be creating a new drink. Never know. And that's a little better. That's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad with the Coke and ginger ale mixed in with the brandy. It's not too bad. But I personally think my drink of choice will have to be the cobbler. I put a little ice in it. Yeah, that's not bad. Put a little piece of ice inside of the sidecar, just so I can see if it tastes better with the ice. Yeah, the sidecar is, you can really taste that lemon in it. So it's more of a, almost like a sour taste. From what I've seen on some of the videos of the sidecar, they normally put sugar around the rim of the glass, but like I said, I'm just trying to figure out what to mix with that Ciroc Vs. This one is okay. And this is just the one with the ginger ale. Ginger ale. Ginger ale. Like I said, my choice, my pick will have to be the cobbler. It's more sweet. I don't know. I think I like that flavor a little bit better. Okay, leave in the comments. How are you drinking this Ciroc? Are you just drinking it straight up? Or are you mixing it with something? Let me know, because you know I really want to like it. I don't think I'm gonna buy another bottle of this, but I gotta drink all this, so I need to know what are y'all mixing this with. Leave that in the comments. Leave it at the bottom. Tell me what to mix it with so I could drink this up. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.